Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as I know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
A woman that is receiving good sperm cannot look like you. I'm telling you the truth. Take it or leave it. A woman that is receiving good sperms, that woman can definitely not look like you. Put yourself very well in the check. Ask your husband, what kind of sperm is it that you're carrying around? Are you sure he's baiting you with enough sperm? Because you don't look good to the eyes. You can't be drinking enough sperm and you'll be looking the way you are. It's not possible. You understand? Early in the morning, that's when you know a beautiful woman. I've seen you in the morning and you look so horrible and irritating, darling. So it's very obvious, and it's so obvious that your husband's vitamin doesn't look good enough for you, darling. You understand? That's one thing I have to let you guys know. My man, everything I do on social media is 100% in support of what I do. As a matter of fact, he is my admin. And he's my manager, he's my director, full-time. He's not a person that is against my social media work. There's definitely nothing you guys are going to do. I hope you know the kind of pussy I am with. I hope you know the kind of guy, the kind of man that God blesses me with. He's a full-time understanding man, very understanding. He's not as useless as the men of some of you that you need to beg and plead with for every little thing. I wish one opportunity come one day for my husband to stand in front of some of you and open up a speech. Then you're really going to know the kind of person that he is. Anyway, some of my fans who follows me, who has been a good follower of my platform, they know him very well. Please, sister, find a job to do. All right? Find a job to do. I would definitely not have anything to do. Seeing you alone, I would not even want to save the picture of your man. Not to talk of giving you any advice. Because definitely seeing you alone knows that. I know that your husband is definitely not good enough for you. If he's not making you look good in your body, there's nothing. I normally tell women when I'm doing relationship advice, I normally tell them to say, I respect men when I see their women. Before you earn my respect as a man, I must see your wife. Your wife is the reason why I have to respect you. If I see your wife and I'm not honored, when I see your wife, I'll definitely not give you any respect. I'll definitely not honor you. The first person that I will see that will make me to respect you is your wife, not even your children. Your love for your children can be so big. You can love your children so much that you passes all your love, you transfer all your love to them. But you will not. Definitely, if you don't love your wife, you will not pass all your attention to her. So, my dear, find something to do with your life. So, men, I cannot see where your pains are coming from. Where you people will be saying, women way day Europe, women way day Europe, women way day Europe, women way day Europe. Hey, yeah. I cannot see where your pain will be coming from. Somebody say, a woman that lacks enough sex always have mood swing. Really? I'm telling you, honestly speaking, stress and depression won't finish blessing. If blessing is sitting down, I'll be wondering what exactly is sitting over there. One day you will just fall down and faint. Please find a good thing to be doing. And tell your husband that Rita said that he is not taking good care of you. That's the truth of the matter. Whether you like it or not, your guy needs an upgrade. If that is what you are, if what you look like now is what you are, your husband needs to upgrade. You need to be eating good food, at least patting good nutrients into you. Shaka Zulu, yeah. I'm not an English woman. Take it the way you want. All right? So, your husband needs to really upgrade, my darling, because he's not doing a good job. He's not doing a good job. You're not looking good enough. Nakedness. Man, nakedness. Una just see. Wait, una dey see for beach. Una go see her for swimming pool. Una go see her for beach. Una go see her for movie. Man, we wear shorts. Now una just they celebrate, they happy, they go like say, hey, eki ano konkoma gwa lokya o, eki ano konkoma gwa lokya o, aye me kirita mu omu na konsi nakedness o. That's not nakedness. That is not nakedness. That's a man that is wearing shorts. Not be woman we wear pint to nasi o. A man we wear shorts. Wow, Josephine Taga, thank you, my love. How are you? Good morning. Man we wear shorts now nasi o. You just saw a man who was wearing a short. Did you see that? So there is nothing about that. There is nothing about it at all. And there is not even a topic there. There is no discussion. I didn't even want to talk about it. When I saw that Blessing started want to making a topic, you want to making a topic and a point of contact to your people. So I decided to talk about it. Blessing, you need to go, you need to go learn new thing because you yourself, you not be better person. You not be better person, my sister. Now yeah, we day. The money where then they give you where they make body they cash you so. Now yeah, a day when you will come they confess. When time reach for you to confess, you will come they confess. The time when I prophesied this their own so. When I prophesied this their own so. Somebody say I'm a graduate of English literature, my dear. So you want me to be using English graduates in literature on my video? Who is this person? Chaka Zulu. You want me to be speaking literature English on my video here? My brother, you need to go and learn a new thing and be my sister. Me, I didn't do English literature in school. I'm not a university person. You. With the level I have, I'm just a college certificate holder. And I can speak English like this. I bet you if I sit with you in an exam, I will even win you. Not be to go school that they talk. It's the what you have inside here. Many people go school, they don't get sense. Somebody say lack of husband can lead to emotional depression. Blessing is having emotional breakdown already. She have emotional breakdown. Very big breakdown. It be an irrewable. Men where they Europe. My people. Now today, now I start to believe una they say women. The reason why they make una they say most of una come the day too traditional. I can understand the reason. I cannot understand the reason why most of you will be saying we must use them stay swear juju. We must use them stay swear juju. If we marry them, we must use them stay swear juju. Europe women. I am the one who has been fighting with these men to say, you are too traditional, you are too traditional, you are too traditional. You are just too traditional for my liking. You're too traditional for my liking. Have been fighting with them to say, please reduce your traditionalist characters. But I cannot see the reasons why most of your wives are there. They are not satisfied with what you are carrying under your legs. They are not satisfied with what you are carrying between your legs. I have warned you and I warn again. Enter your wife's phone. Go and open it. Another man sometimes present as husband. A power they shake waist for live video. Now know how many women don't call me. Mama na a second wife I want be. Because they shake waist. A second wife now want me. I want be a kuni enya walele a kun biani. Inya walele here. And on me group unia wajibi live video na. E kun anywhere ni na wa beg a kun uwe la yanji. Anywhere where they foresee waste. Now there then they oh. They not they use waste till they play with person. Especially when that waste belongs to men. Their eye go die put where they will go scrutinize her. Go look her. The kuna ya fear. What ya fear time in balo this waste go they hit and where. What ya fear time in balo that is exactly what they are after. And it's an insult to the person of a man for you to be having a wife and your wife will be having the nakedness of another man in their phone. It makes you not man enough. It reduces the self-worth of a man. It's not good. Now shame and disgrace on top of you. When you are still alive and your wife is having a man, another man in her phone wearing pants. Not be shame when they use and shame another person. It's exactly what you people have in your head. Your head is corrupt already when it comes to sex. Most of you are sexually corrupt. You are sexually gone already. Most of these women. Na come away Frank they call na ekia magwalo. Waga igwale kia my people. Me una common eye for other people here. Me una the common eye. So that may God for the bless una. If you not just see waiting men they talk follow, you know these men continue to repeat this thing. There is no video I will do. They will not come out to talk about it and say, Europe women. Oh, Europe women. Also, I say they go Nigeria go marry. Europe women, I go they beat them put. I go they fight them. Now me wait Brita they fight them. If they enter inside my inbox, I go they fight them. You people should leave them. Not all lady. I'm not saying it's all. Some, look at it. What if these people are the people these men are complaining about? Eh? I'm asking you, can you see the pants of another man wearing pants? You'll be having a husband, you just quickly carry and put for phone. Eh? Another man wearing short knicker pants. You just rush on. Gekia, uwa vumu, egege. Why ya be ever son no ya ye no we make na soto. Ni are you to kun. My people were beg kiafia wa. I think you might even your for many years. They can't know you for one thing. They just know now for one thing. Say you people are just corrupt-minded people. When it comes to IKEA, now not the user is here. Me self, I can't even. Somebody sent some comments to me. I just they look at one girl, just they happy, just they celebrate. Eh? It's just they celebrate to. See the way they celebrate, they happy, hey, see, it can't wear boss at like this. The way she waist be, I say, ye. So this one now go see get husband for a life or a boyfriend. Hey, you see the boyfriend where won't date those kind of women. I pity you, my brother, where you are going to. A woman who will see the nakedness of another man, you see the way they will be celebrating and jubilating and enjoying and happy. Even I was ashamed. I was very ashamed because when my husband was on my live video yesterday, he saw some of the comments. He said, let me go through what they're going. My husband saw it. And my husband saw these women celebrating. He was just shocked. He said, who are these people? Can you imagine? They are celebrating my nakedness. Can they be so lacking of sense or something? Oh! Shame. Eman wa malaki wa mwe kia ye funi wa mwe nakedness or pant ye fun wa go wa said not be nakedness but pants say man wear short knicker pants. So my dear blessing is not a news. There's nothing there. You might see us in the beach anytime. Don't be surprised. That's the way he's going to also be dressing. What if he was dressing in the beach and you just see us taking pictures and whatever? Have you not seen a man in the beach before? That's exactly what you saw over there. So I may have seen you toss a big way inside sponge. If water reach sponge, it go reach body. Madam, where they see over Sabi. Madam Oyakbo, where they see over Sabi, the shortest woman in Belgium. Let me tell you something. There is nobody who is doing over Sabi on live video. This time around, if you don't understand how social media is being run, that is why I call you fish and a baby brain. Now I make me they tell you say na baby brain now you carry. You see this live video where with this. So it's unfortunate that you dey here, but see, you don't know as it they work. You not see a saga where they come on for live video. So all this saga where they live video, except your own, which one me they talk put. Sit down and reason it very well. Apart from your own, you. How many people don't talk to Ijore since? I think you see your and women always here, the way that they drag themselves. You don't see me say I go put my mouth. You think say I not they see them. You think me say I can't talk put. You think say I not they see them. Why I not they talk? Why I not talk put? You know, ask yourself. Say now the same Ijore way you talk to. When me can't attack you. Now other people talk to where I no attack. Or where I not even do like say I see. You know, ask yourself. If I really be person where they look for topic and not define topic, or I really they do over sabi for people matter. You think say I know go talk to other people, say me on a leave Ijore. Eh? No. Now that one you for tell no, say this one are really person poppy. Daddy just left for work. Okay? Excuse me, go inside. Go and take your water and eat it. Don't be every time they take the talk. You are just entering. Christina, come. Moments, my people. Come here. Was ist los, Daddy?
I hate it today.
Yeah? It's okay. Go and take your whatever. I'm coming, okay? It's okay. All right. So, my people, like I was saying, You see this life, sometimes it good make person the mission. If you see what that people you go do, you go cocoon. But you way be kids, the time where the way where you take reach my body, you no say me still tell you. Like I always repeat am for my video. I they repeat and say the place where you pass enter my body, I they always the mark am. Now so my matter be. Everybody get policy for live video. This is how I live my live video life. I have a policy. You cannot change my policy for me because the way you want to live your own, you want me to live my own like that. No. I have my policy and I continue to repeat my policy every day. My policy is that I don't do problem with everybody. I only do problem with people who brought it to me first. And I continue to repeat it. When are you going to understand that word? Actually, you see other people want to involve themselves that they waiting I tell them. I tell them, say, make them step aside. Make them not talk put. Because if they talk put, it will be me and their own. Because it not consign them. They don't know as my matter and your own to start. You know you're by yourself. Waiting make me they involve. Waiting make me they drag you follow ground. You know it. And you don't want to be truthful to yourself. That is the problem you have with me. But the time when you will content be truthful to yourself, I don't get problem with you, I'll just leave you. If you don't come where we live video now, make it time. But now you define popularity. Now I make you come to drag people where not drag you. You don't fair drag me. The time when you drag me, I drag you. People don't hear my word for your mouth now. They don't hear your word for my mouth. Nobody even know you that time. But you was looking for this popularity. You don't let me rest. Now I make una come to say, Rita not get forgiveness. No, Rita have forgiveness. But time, there's time for everything. The time that you have for me is not when I have for you. You see this live video the way it be so. All the saga way they go on. So you know how many saga they live video? Somebody say, but they don't see Bola and I just boss at them. See. Now be the celebration. Now be the celebration, not mind them. So you see this saga way they go on for live video. So you know how many? There are very many. I see Mrs. Yobusa. I see Enugi. I see the other one. I see the other one. Even before that one, I see many people. You see me say I talk put I analyze. No. You think if I want to analyze, I don't feel analyze. But I wish any of these people, the time, they don't let me rest. This time around, I foresee their matter. This time around, that's what they talk. So their matter for the inside. They not go fit. You know how many saga I don't do. You know how many saga many people don't do for this live video. You see me say I don't ever put my mouth. No. You see my blessing Joe. Now blessing Joe. Now if I start to fight me for live video. Indirectly. The day and the time I will start to have blessing Joe time. People will start saying she's a troublemaker. Over sabi too much. She's a troublemaker. Over sabi too much. Because now not get the sense where they do live video. You people are too senseless. You don't have brains. You are still not getting the clue. You are still not getting the handwriting on the wall. My own with you is a personal issue. It has nothing to do with anybody. The time when one woman want to enter that day, I just have to put my knee for ground. I beg and say, Madam, step aside. Because if you don't step aside, matter go consign you and it go come be wahala of a very long time. Don't involve yourself. And that's me and you. I dey follow you, they do and so. Anybody involve yourself, I go use and rub am. If not presenter, ija way, okay, you give my boy. Idio wano. Me and say where it like bomani. Okay, you give my boy. So that the place where that person pass follow my body, I go mark her. I go tell and say, man, now Larry. This is how me and you started. Then we will start our battle. Now, so my matter be. The time when I did my ass, I want to take your mind back. I don't feel remind you before. Sister Benedict, thank you. I don't feel remind you before. I want to remind you again. The time when me and Princess Ivierio, ima only tie new van. Princess Ivierio la wo guidu na anyway. We matana. No ije ya bome. La I need to make reference to you. The time when me and Princess Ivierio won't happen. I think inside my house, Princess Ivierio come meet me. She come meet me. Oh. She enter my house, come do party. Wait till she see for my house, she carry command. She go talk another thing for her side. You will be a Kate. What did you do? Until you carry cloth. Wait, you support what you not see. You was not in my house, so you not know waiting happen. Now me will be written on the stretch matter of people where I like. If here your matter, I not stretch her matter because na family person she be to me. She was too close to me. She was living inside my house. I didn't stretch her matter. I just left it to quickly die out of social space because I like her naturally. Because I like her naturally, she's a person. Now me go give her advice at the beginning. Say, you see where you they go so. You they close to me, now the same city with they go give you problem. Don't go there. If you go there, you're going to have problem in the nearest future with them. She not hear me. Thank you, Lady Precious Blinks. Thank you so much. He go give you problem. That time she don't believe me. She claimed she recorded me and she took it outside. Me, I'm not the record person. I don't record any of you. But I am a very sensitive person. I be like lawyer. Where you pass, enter my body. How me and your matter they start, even though say na 10,000 years. I not the forgetter. Now that one they make una they say, I not get forgiveness. I get forgiveness, but my forgiveness does not go out when you don't ask for it. I don't dash it out in the street. It's only when you ask for it to say, this matter, I know, say, I don't do well, that I rest. Then, I go rest, which is truth. But you yourself, you want to claim that, me, I be oversabi, I do oversabi for your matter, but you don't forget what you do for my matter. And you don't forget how you take drag me follow ground. You don't forget how my sister take call you from Norway. You don't forget how I even take call you, they ask you, say, you did there, where you they talk with your eye no rich. Your eye rich. So why are you not claiming to be like, you don't know what they happen, waka musegu me wuwa. Momu segu where? Otame no way. Because who wegi kani agana, let's a video we, I mean, yani was a bijon, you only stretch a matana. I take faith in a buwella wania. Not be safe faith, don't see enter your house. Another person enter your house, now they come to talk with you, they see for you, as a bina do a balo, or not do a giddy. Uweki you name a tiny and let's say. Again, no give me nasi, no fit a kitty. We are who? We ma tell me now, we ma say. Yes or no? We ma bohing be me, but we ma swear. We ma ta we, me what do you know, Mizen or him wane, he gave me that ya, or man no boom la what do me celebrate, or what ladian, if you be giving over this way. We matter, yes or no? Why, Jerry? You know, say, oh, no yari way. So, you no even know, say that time, me pray for you. Say, what things you do to me, another person go enter your house, he go do unto you. Another person go enter your house, he go do unto you. If na person where really like to involve myself for people saga, now be. I want to make another example. Glad this Amadi no did this live video. The saga way they do since I never seen her. That Esama where they do saga since I never seen her. I know sabi analyze saga. You say I know go sabi analyze if I want. Vera saga where they do since I not seen her. You don't say I don't put my mouth one day. The other one saga where they do since I not there yet. Even mommy love not they do saga since. You see I don't twice and say 2 years. I don't even do like say I see them. Now this live video then they will. But I they see them every day. I know they talk say I see her. You know why? Because ima only yaho way. But uwe de nu pabo wa weri. Una cross a boundary we la me dagmo. Iga dawe jize wobo. Or then where assase. The time where you will take do my own, I go leave you. E u couple momunda woman mwek boto obo. You even go test it for say as almost to mwek boto. Wa mwek boto no keze obo. Abi? Una gele ahia. Una ahia. Una ahia. You continue. Many of them here for your mind. They call me Sisi Eko. That time, if I they use it direct, they reply you. They always they tell me one word. Say, oh, fitama enta uweto ingbina mwe. You will say because me they using direct talk to you because I they fear you. I go look you. Oh, ibieka. I will come away no logo a dodge of your way no do. Me we be written now you say they fear you lioness. So we have with me. Igu eru wakpa we me munwe me aso azanzu we amigu wero me na so asu we le belelolo to amigu we me azi egbenu ka de yogwagane. This is what I always say on live video every time. Charles, Mr. Charles, thank you so much. I always tell people to say, I will not come and fight you. I will not come and look for your trouble. I don't talk into your matters, any of you. If you see me say I open my talk for person matter, you will not say, now that person, either fe carry me go public, or now if you use matter, find me. I know what they do. So that the time when we will come, they trace our history. I go sabi trace my own way. Go how it start. Chakabando. take your mind back. Me and your own eye it start because walk by la video na here few nuji. And nobody go fit tell me I no put mouth for inside. You know why? Because it tot aje vous bon you vous bene ou ma a ou ma soe you know they there. Abu me adi wo wa this wo wa me na me leader na celebrate na we party. Ari la dian we zeni le seke awo no na we the recording dame and everything. We la dian una support e igbe me because wa una u couple me dey ege ni mo da u couple me mele luwa we saga. On your see any me na time na we make me they talk this thing where they talk every day now be say. If una see people where they do their things we not they do saga make una leave there oh. Some of them know how to do saga. But they don't want to do it because of their family, because of their friends, because of the kind of husband family they are married to, because of the kind of sisters they have, because of this kind of brother they have, especially their husband and their wives. That is why some of them don't do saga. Not because they cannot do it like you, not because they cannot talk the way you talk. There are some special people in their life they are giving respect to. And if you over push them to say they must do saga, you will go there. Plute them, they push trouble for their mouth for where they sit down. You will go the if they enter saga, you go complain no, because the work where they know how to do before they go drop her, they go follow you enter your own. If they don't follow you enter your own, you will come begin the cry, say, face your hook up, face your hook up. You know what this woman said on her live video one day, this Chakabando. She say, you go see Rita now. Go see Rita. You still remember that video, Kate? We had a video ni rea. Ekba ma video ni hin. Ega nu we yawo we me yawo. Ya je we video nu we dokpari. You say me then go see me. You say as I be so you say they don't distract me come on for hook up. Una gie kwa keke. We are ye me ye hook up re. When we ne hook up je una gie yi bege video ni me na gie kwa. Oh. Ina we ru swim ma no mu nda me live video we mana mu eri ya ke salebe no. Ina betu we ita there na we ma we no. Eku weke ya bia no. You was also one of those people. You was also one of them. Why are you not taking it to other people? But when my he mega among where they go, you not know say me ready with you. When my mega ahwa way, it real life imagine. Even though una talk say I don't get forgiveness or I get forgiveness. We para or we para poto or when you hiata. We don't how we para or we para poto. Or when you hear that, this one must teach you people lessons. Una way they jump, una just jump, una not they organize. Wa fly like matarere, igri. Wa rather se leve, why so agbo money, why agbo, bogbo way. Una go forget, say, if na person where they keep diary, or the diary, or the better work mo waiva, it be, or sign on me date yo. Or how we, man now la me be. Here where you follow, con, I not go leave you. The time where that person go come, they drag you up and down. Or you got see your story, usuaso, umaseme ya even no makawe, oversabi, ki mekuwe. To your God and man, did I know you on live video? That somebody like you is existing before you started analyzing me back and front? Unavi abo hiyegbene, umala wame, umami no sinu wo wame. So why it can't be now? Me analyze who we go vasabi me he get me stress again we not your image we my presenter we got you me give you who when we go vasabi we me he bega who me my get my feel. Good afternoon, brother Moses. How are you? You see and say you not get sense. You don't forget all those one because of who no yari who way. Every day I begin to repeat say you not get sense. Ya den my reki. Now so I dey talk. Who me my you see this my own when I they follow you do. They no ya home ya mujoto. The time when I feel like say make I rest now I go take rest. I go no wa be home ni ya temu we be temu. Ibe zanzan we be niyo we be niye we wa. Wa we gbina hon we la re no do gbina. Because again gbina ya me ya heme we ma die gbe yo hime. U we me so hime mu hu da mi ni me wu ni me na mi ho ni una we to do e so to. Una wo ma do e hu e were. Uwo wana kukuwe. Abi mena eko nwa veke ni na we ni mege ke no hwaju we ni. Me aige ke no hwaju we ni after amega ivmo wonu neve na rekie. Owa akbo de gagbuwe. Agbo imi gagbuwe. Ege ni mi aya de bayan gbuwe. Iri life image. Na so I dey always talk am. The one where they Italy where I don't know that the way just wake up in the morning, just carry me. Not be waiting I can't tell them for live video. I say, madam or Italy man we there oh. Only you now know yourself. I know they mention your name for my live video because when I'm for way. But this you where you they do so. When time come, I go need you for future, but not be now. The time where you go, don't say u de gwale popularity no du you hu bagari hu betebo ya sevane. Unwa iga hia wene we magi yo na higbo ho yo. Ege ni mi aya sun we kegbe ava hedin yo. E wo ho agbe yo hu. E edi mi awa asan, mi awa asan go du hu ri yi wo wa o. Ege ni we ga hi mi re u do ane nwa u do we na ya lele saga e. Something must teach a man something. I am not the person that will only teach you. Other people experience my own, your own experience. Everything will teach you. That is how everybody learn to mind their business on live video. Now so they take the do one. Abi? Yes. Two people when they talk their matter for this live video, I go sit down with confidence. They talk. One of them, if they carry me on live video, can't disgrace me. The second one, if they enter my matter as analysis. Other people, now see they talk for their matter. No way. You see, no way, I don't come for them. Lanus, whatever umba, I have blocked you. Go and perform your nonsense in another platform, not my own. You know, you people know that I don't tolerate nonsense. They are not the welcome psychopath for my platform. Before you commit, you will be risking your fake account. I will block you and block your intestine, block everything that has to do with you, block your generation, block your brains and everything altogether. I don't welcome nonsense here because you don't come to my house. Before you just bring that account, before the next person will even read your comment, I don't block and wipe you away from here because you will not be relevant to me. You will not be relevant to me at all. So that is it. If you want to enter my class, you sit down attentively and listen. Joanne, thank you for the star, my lady. God bless you. If you don't sit down in my class and listen and respect me and my followers, you'll be blocked. These people that are here, they not you not reach any of them. They are sleepers with the team match ground. They are not your mates. They cannot be in this class and be making everywhere quiet. You just come, you come, they do buju for my platform. They carry your dirty comment and come and be commenting any and disrespecting people who are here doing their things. No, you don't do that. Please, if you not see anybody where I suppose block, you people shouldn't waste time. If you not see and say this person, please Rita, quickly block this person. Just bring my notice to that person fast. Make I block her. My gwala will be warrior de mana. Or me keniana ya agbe a bagwa budo. Niana agbe yogbere mana. Me I not that don't welcome them in my platform. Before they comment one, I drop them out. I don't have nonsense for people here. So now so it be my people. You see, when you, I know they come meet you. No, I know they come. Even the saga when I find do with the person where they UK. Now my topic I do, I not mention their name. My topic now I do say to be recording people is no good. Just like the way everybody do topic. I didn't mention your name. I did topic. Strictly, I never mentioned your name. Good morning, Factory Discount, my people. How are you? Sandra Tibas, how are you doing? So that is it, my people. Now, that problem they start. Where you, where Bishakabando, go hide under. Ibi bieka yo na ya sorande gbe, we ni andwa tie be mo, we no do amwe be mo, una ga jinja oviere wo we video ni u. Imaswe ni esera you we. But you carry and go misera say misera come at me come this swear for children we no born. When you know say you get children. E dene na hivo. How market today? How market today? You see and say this life no balance. It not balance so. Even where uje gbe that doge ya fe egbo ina so masoti ve dene na. Look at it. Now your body all the back to sender con dey. Adultery o, it do your body. Agbodo o, it do your body. Agbije o, it do your body. You know what? Just name it. Then they beat husband o, it do your body. The matter we we gboda fun we wana. The matter we who gbijwe na. The matter we adultery. Uga agbele ki ayu evu mwe koyobo. The matter we and the worker ya si logere ya ladian bikini ya leji. Jou. Amate be yen ya, we have a plan the woman or resen the gun on the no do beg you with social media. If you we agujo, yagu migo we ukop, we not pagu migo woge, we not pagu migo woge. All these things were the things you were against. And these are the things you love so much. And they are the things you do a lot. You was fighting everything that never fight you. And then now my sister, check how the table has turned. So you think say the time when you they do me that time. Emi no ma kan when we few beji vegeni. We maga over sabiu. Emi no ma kan when we ga analyze we ya ha we we make no man agele uberi yo ah. Ene ne mu do aye da e ya gio e. E make no we na. E keti. O vi akpo no rebejo. We ai na gie feti e ga shawo no we de ne na. O si we feti hin. We na yi gbe agia ya gio e. Atu begi life na be no shie. We are na shi gbe agia gie feti e. Why not catch a one wabo back bashawa? Where I set it temata, igu we magelia bashawo with bejoni, even we lagodoni. And then navo, agi yagmo yajiho wada yobo gwose wonu no la wu, no sekere you way. Make it live small, never to ya food, no make na mikiri aogi. How today? How today? I tell you, see. The reason you must also learn to leave people alone when they are doing their things. If you not see person where they do cup, me una leave her. Me una not they complain say, "You gonna me I too much why you they doing like this?" You see Jore work, you carry put for her say she not they do one way. If you Jore leave that at work and started sagaring you tomorrow, people will say this is not how you do it before. Why are you not doing saga? You used to do prayer, but when she was doing her own, you people say it's not good. She must leave her job and come and be doing the one you are doing. This is where the problem is on a do cyberspace. Other people they do their work now they but they say work when they do na fake life. It's not good, not be better thing na fake life. By the time they will leave that fake life and come and be doing your real one today, they will come join una for una real life. Commendian to they carry people they throw away for granted. Na mwe magboto na sin ayi wini yare na agbe family yan. Iya na deba wa nyave kaso. This is one thing by those cyberspace. Now then go first cry. Well, now they do this kind of thing. It's not good. Face your work. You was not like this before. You was doing your own. You wasn't like this. You was doing your own. The time the person was doing his own, did you leave that person alone? That is the biggest question. Do you know what is psychological trauma? When people who didn't talk to you, when people who didn't mind you when they were doing their business, when you begin to traumatize them, what you know they do it, so now you they do me Kate when I they do my couple. And you they do me. You traumatize me. I began to tell the people in my group to say, it's not now. You people should be patient. I'm going to have a time. But not now. When I remove my attention from this hookup, I will face her. I will have a time. Yes. But not now. And she go run past house. If I come out her matter for my mouth, say I not beat her for one day, she go dey happy. Wait till she starts so. Fear no go ever let her try her again. If I come out her matter for my mouth, say I not beat her one day, she's going to be celebrating and dancing to say, wow. Again, I is a mobono mwa da hook up. Uwe here we fasting. Uwe hook up in me na pop erita vegeni. Erita la wo mi no regbe mo ya we mo da hook up make na vie we value to. We anirun. O salo bo la wo. Mo erita o da hook up wo ye hook up wa erita. Mwerita o da ukop unirita mi na zemo bobekun e uwe hin ga nerun yin uwe hin awe dry fasting jo e dey matter amenji. So una way you believe you can just go and meet a person where they doing you will go disturb man psychologically. After you don't disturb man finish, you have the mind of arranging people and disorganizing them, arranging them and disorganizing them. You don't know what it is. By the time they want to start disorganizing your own